In this video, we will show you how to set up Wi-Fi on your new Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch. With Wi-Fi set up, you can upload your data without being connected to your compatible smartphone, load music from compatible third-party music providers, and install compatible mapping. There are a few methods for setting up Wi-Fi. In this video, we will show you how from both the watch and through the Garmin Dive app. To begin, you'll need your watch paired to your compatible smartphone and within range of your Wi-Fi network. First, we will start on the watch. From the watch face, press and hold the up button to open the menu. Scroll down and select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. Then select Add Network. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Select the one you would like to add. If prompted, enter the password. You may even use the Garmin Dive app as the keyboard to speed up the entry. Once entered, select the check mark. Your Wi-Fi connection is now set up. Next, we will show you how to set up Wi-Fi through the Garmin Dive app. We will be using an Android smartphone, but the process is the same for an Apple iPhone. Start by opening the Garmin Dive app. Tap More on the bottom right corner. Now tap Garmin Devices. Select the device you want to manage the Wi-Fi settings for. Then select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. The Garmin Dive app will direct you to the Garmin Connect app to finish setup. Select Continue. Here you will see all of the Wi-Fi networks you have added. Tap Add a Network. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Tap the one you would like to add. If prompted, enter the password. Then select Done. Tap Connect to finish adding this Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent Mk3 Wi-Fi connection is now set up. To learn more about your Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch, please see our other videos in this series or visit support.garmin.com.